I'm just curious of your thoughts of like where this is going, right? Because it seems just like over the last year or two, it's just, it's really gone into the mainstream and it just keeps progressing faster and faster. Chat GPT 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, things like that. So just any of your thoughts, considering that you deal with this so much on a daily basis.
So I'm very optimistic about this field, to be honest, because I feel even our thesis is about that generative AI is gonna change the way people build softwares and build basically solve any problem, because we build softwares to solve a particular problem, right? So it's gonna change the fundamental way of how people solve their problems and build solutions around it, which was very limited and restricted to engineers, people who know coding before than this, but now it's like available to everybody. Our job in this entire ecosystem or in this entire new world where everybody can build software, everybody can build solutions, is to basically guide them about how you go about it, because some fundamental principles will remain against them and somebody needs to learn and adapt those principles, try to apply it with the new technology, and set a new learning path for people who will be uh, building new solutions, right? So that's where I see ourselves moving towards, where we again, that was also like one of the major reason into pivoting into from specifically coding audience, like people which are relevant or which are basically have experience to engineering, versus opening up to everybody, because we realize that the potential of this opportunity and this entire technology is much more than just writing code. So yeah, I'm very optimistic about this entire space, and I feel in the next 5 years everybody can build their own software and their own solutions for whatever problem they are facing. And if you want to basically learn a particular way how you can solve your business problem, I think then 100x comes into the picture and we can basically help you do that.
And maybe just to end too, just to kind of expand on this, why should somebody look into this generative AI technology and software solutions, as opposed to trying some other sort of entrepreneurial venture, and starting a podcast or drop shipping or, building a social media following? Why should they focus on learning how to build a software product? Kind of what is your pitch, or what's the value there for somebody else, somebody watching that's curious or maybe on the fence?
I think first of all, you can pick up the data. Like I don't have the exact numbers, but whatever studies I have read so far, in terms of the new businesses and also the new capital being invested in all of the sectors, software is, as what Mark Anderson said, right? Software is eating the world, and which has basically now uh, same statement holds true for AI, right? Like generative AI, or like particularly AI, is now eating the entire world, because anything or everything which you can think of can be like automated, can be built by these systems. And what I basically like suggest, why somebody needs to switch to this field as compared to pick other field. I was talking to few people from YCs and realized like the companies which they have funded last year, like even this winter batch and this summer batch, like majority of them were including generative AI into their workflow. That's one signal. Also, you can maybe pick. There are multiple reports from McKinsey, like how all the companies needs to have this AI strategy in place, and if you don't have that, like that means like you're gonna lose to your competition. There are new roles in the industries which are being crafted. A lot of companies, including Stripe, has now introduced these chief AI officer, which is basically responsible for the AI safety and the AI strategy within the company. So executive roles are also basically aligned. Now, all these things are basically signals to where we are moving towards as an industry.